Del Monte proved to us that payroll is an asset, not an expense. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, Karen Davila recently had an interview with Del Monte Philippines. At isa sa pinaka-notable part ng interview ay yung pinakita nila how the company invested so much on their employees' well-being kaya laging masarap ang pinya nila. Which is a direct contrast to a lot of companies' direction, lalo na ngayon. Akala ng marami, mechanization, automation, and AI is all about getting rid of people. Personally, na-witness ko yan. And when a company starts to devalue humans kapalit ng machine for the sake of profits, nagkakanda leche-leche ang organization. Tech adoption should be towards uplifting the value of humans in the business. Yung kayang gawin ng machine, ipagawa mo sa machine so you can better maximize human skills like analysis, empathy, and logic. This is the true power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.